Hi guys, recycling centre, gold or garbage. Been out to Thornbury today, visited the recycling centre. Before I go any further, I'll just say it is raining outside, so there's a bit of background noise here today, or tonight. Anyway, I spotted this box of bits. I could see it was a train set. And I can see that we've got this little motor unit. That's a bit noisy, but it's got a forwards and backwards motion by that little switch underneath it. These pegs go in the middle of the track, and when it goes over something that sticks up in various places, it changes direction depending on which way that little lever is pushed. And then you can swap the bodies, so you can have a train or whatever that thing is, or another one. So we'll have a look at this. It's a bit dirty and dusty, but I did notice when I was looking in it that there's some other bits and pieces in here mixed in. Like, I've got that. Can't think of any particular use for it, but hey, that was in the box too. I've no idea if there's a complete set, and it certainly needs a bit of a clean. I noticed they've written underneath so you know which bits connect up to which bits. I spotted this little car. Now looking at that red plastic on the back, I reckon it's infrared control. And I've already put batteries in it, and nothing happens. And I've tried it with my infrared transmitters. There's quite a few different types there. Most of those are from helicopters, but there's some other ones that are just plain forwards, backwards. That's a spider one there. Yeah, various ones. It doesn't react to any of them. I've also tried my normal TV remote and that sort of thing. So we'll take it apart anyway as a separate video. And back in the box, let's see what else we've got. A pedometer. Okay. Got some buttons that seem to do various things. So I might do something with that. I did do a modification to a pedometer a long time ago, just put a little button on it so I could just use it as a counter. That was a slightly simpler looking one, but that one looks like it works, doesn't it? Steps. Yeah, numbers are going up. Yeah, okay. That looks like a night light, child's night light. I'll plug that in the power in a minute, see if it works. A key ring. Love. Oh, I could be really mean. It's nearly Valentine's Day, isn't it? Yeah, Valentine's Day present for somebody. I don't think I'll get very far with that. And then a few more bits and pieces. Oh, they've even drawn a picture in the bottom. Oh, that's brilliant. Of how to set the train setup. Oh, I might have to do that, see if it works. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.